Good morning. We're going to talk about things that are on page 17. We are at the end of our Superkids. We have one story left for the letter Z. And Sal is our Superkid. He's reviewing with us. Look what he asks. I know he's asking something because there's a question mark. So what does he ask? He says, was it? My voice went up because of it being a question. If it would be a period, just the period there, it would be, was it? With the question mark, it sounds like, was it? Remember, the question marks might make your voice go up. I see a question mark at the end of each one of these. The first word in each one is going to be our sight word, was. Do you hear that S? Sounds like a Z. Was. That's a rule breaker. So what does he ask first? We see the egg box with the plants. Do you remember that story? That was in the big box fix-up. Let's read what he says. Was the egg box a jet? Was the egg box a jet? Yes or no? Circle which one. Oh, we know. Was the egg box a jet? Absolutely not. Remember, they started little seeds in there. They used it as like a planter. So you would circle no. You're going to read each sentence, each question. Look at the picture to help remember the story. And then circle yes or no. Do you remember which stories these were? This was when they got the bus. And it was a mess. And they had to clean it up. That was fun, wasn't it? It was full of bugs and dust. Here, Gully is Daffodil the dragon. That's from the Glum Princess. Here is Lily. This was when they were taking all of the gifts to Gully when he was at the vet's office. Here we have the fan. That was from all of the planets when they were the wagwags and they went to visit all of the different planets. This was which planet had the fan? This is going to help you remember. So do page 17 today. And then I'd like to talk about page 18. Take a look at my first picture that I have here. I have fans. If we just had one of them, if we just had one like that, it would be a fan. There's the word fan. When we have more than one, we're going to add the S. And then we're going to have the word fans. Let's try another one. What if I would have one of these? I would have one bed. So I'll write the word bed. B-E-D. Bed. But I have more than one. So now I can add an S. And then what word do I have? I have bed. Oops, I have to move my paper, sorry. And I'm going to put that S at the end. Beds. When I add an S at the end of the words, it's turning them into something we call plural. Plural means more than one. Here is the word plural. Plural. If we only have one, now it's singular. Those are new words. Singular. Do you hear the word single? If you have a single bed, that means you have one bed. If you have a single fan, you have one fan. If you have a single cap, you have one cap. But now I have two. So what do I have? I have two caps. So how do you write the word caps? That's not going to be hard. First of all, we're going to start with our base word. We're going to start with the original word. If I just have one, it's a cap. So I'm going to write the word cap. And now if I add an S, it's going to be plural. It's going to be more than one. So I have two caps. We could do another one. What if I would have one of these? I have one bug. How do we spell bug? Let's sound it out. B, ug. Bug, but I want it to be more than one, so I'm going to put an S on there. So now, what would my new word be for plurals if it's going to be more than one? I've got these things. What do I have? Bugs. And we're going to put that S at the end. Bugs. That means more than one. Let's do one more. Oh, it's getting to be this season, baseball season. Will we start baseball this summer? I don't know. Okay, there we have it. We have one bat. Let's sound out the word bat. Whoops. Bat. And if we add an S, we can make it mean more than one. So I don't have just one bat, I have many bats. So how am I going to write the word bats? B-A-T-S. Bats. So when we add an S to these words, it makes them mean more than one. They're plural. So let's take a look at page 18. Here we have pictures. We have many of the Superkids, and here we just have one kid. These are the words we have. Kids, kid. Which one is which? You're going to take your pencil. I don't have a pencil, so I'm not going to really draw my line. Kids, I'm going to draw a line from this word to the picture of the kids. Kid, I'm going to draw a line from the word kid to the one kid. Let's try the next one. Here I have, what kind of clothes is that? Remember they made a red one when Gully was at the vet hospital? The word is vest. Vest. What's this word? Vests. That's kind of a tricky one to say. Vests. All right, so which one is more than one? Vest, vests. Vest. Oh, well, we know vest is one. So we're going to draw a line from the word vest to the picture of the vest. Here we have the word vests. We're going to draw a line from vests to the picture of the vests over here. So you can do that with all of these. Read the words. Look at the pictures. Which one shows you one? Which one shows you more than one? And draw the line from the singular word to the singular picture. From the word that means one to the picture that shows one. So today we practiced adding an S. Oops, now I wrote in my book. Adding that S to make it mean more than one. So that was page 18, practicing plurals.